start with this sloka, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Nama. I am very grateful to Dr. Sankaran sir in my life because जो बंदा BHMS में admission लिया, who is not correlating with the any medical science or not even homeopathy, सिर्फ उनकी वजह से वो जो spark हुआ मेरे अंदर second year of BHMS में, उनके बाद I turned to homeopathy and I met Shekhar sir and the other Sangh whole team, and then मेरा journey start हुआ second year of BHMS के बाद. So I am very grateful to him because of today what I am. Okay, I am going to present a case of gum abscess, a lady which is becoming from lower socio-economic family and who is working at my farm. Next. Okay, 36-year-old female, she having complaint of aphthous. Since 3rd October, first she developed a painful gum in the lower jaw. After 2 months, the gum was boil was very painful. She took allopathic medicines nearby village doctor, general practitioner doctors, and even after 2 months continuation the medicine she didn't get any relief. So she went to my father and told me that I am having that problem. So my father led her to my father's colleague who is a MD physician at nearby our village. So MD physician started the antibiotic courses. And after the 10 days of medicines, antibiotics also not responding. So he suggests that you should go to dental surgeon, or otherwise you should get advice from the oncologist. Okay, next. So what are the present complaint? Then she came to me. My father told me that this is the case if you can handle. So I was at that time 2-year beginner in the field of homeopathy. So there is lower, the case is very fact level, name level, there is no any mentals I get found. So pure pathological case was there. So lower gum left side there was a ulcer. The gums was bleeding on brushing the teeth, on pressing the gums. Offensive smelling coming of the mouth, and there is numbness at that gum. Sometimes bleeding is may cause due to walking. By the walking the bleeding is also caused without any reason. So in the waking up in the morning, there is inflammation of the left side cheek. She said that there is a pink flesh. She is losing his fleshes around her tooth. I will present the picture of that. Appetite was gone away. Appetite was decreased. And bitter taste was in mouth. So due to this bitter taste, she can't eat anything. And after sitting with the group of people, she feels little bit better. Next. Okay, and her complaints got aggravated when she is alone. When she go for sleep after midnight, she got aggravated fever. Fever is very high after midnight, and around 2 am it's at peak. So there is chill, then heat, and that this was the fever. So after walking up in the open air, it feels better for her. Sleeplessness after midnight, and due to sleeplessness for the whole night, she can't sleep in the morning, and due to this sleepiness in the morning, she can't go to work at farm. So she said, I don't want to be in a room, I just want to open fresh air. So there was a foamy saliva, and that caused easiness, and she didn't, there is a history of amenorrhea. She didn't get her menses 3 months, and her bodily constitution is lean, thin, anemic, and there was a history of tuberculosis which was treated by the allopathic. Where was the picture? Okay, इसके बाद होगा. Next picture is there. Next करो. हाँ है. Okay, back करो. Okay, I found only these symptoms in the mind. There are lots of sympathetic towards others. She said that I can't go to work because she felt sad because she can't help my father in his work. She is a leader of that मजदूरों की वो जो मुखिया थी वो थी. Due to his sickness, she can't help my father in his work because my father have done so many things for her. So anxiety get lessened in the company of others. She had great fear of having cancer, that I am having cancer, what will be happen. fear of death, so and so, this was there. So you can see that on the 3rd October when she visited, both photos are same. The in this left side tooth, she is losing the flesh. Yellowness you can see that there is his tooth is clearly opening. Both picture are same. The tooth is clearly open. She is losing this flesh by day. Next. So what's the medicine? We will see. Next. So I recently go through with the Dr. Heiner Fry sir and Dr. Devang sir with the polarity analysis. So I get analysis with the polarity. I'll get help the polarity analysis. So after the putting that symptoms, open air amelioration, sleep aggravation while walking, bleeding is happen, aggravate, saliva increase, pressure external aggravate. There are lots of modalities I get from this case. So I choose to select the polarity analysis. So taste bitter, mouth absent, though you can see that lots of symptoms are polar symptoms. So after that lycopodium will be ruled out, because the black color, those color with the black, which medicine will be ruled out. Phosphorus is the single medicine covering with the 34 symptoms and 12 rubrics. Okay, and I get also reference from the Bonning-Hosson approach. From the Bonning-Hosson approach, mouth proper left, mouth salivation at night, mouth saliva change to frothy, mouth abscess gums in lower jaw, mouth abscess gums, taste bitter, sleeplessness after midnight, mouth ulcer painless and fever time after midnight. Only phosphorus single medicine that is covering the whole rubric. Next. So I decided to select the 1M potency, because I having the peculiar symptoms matching with the all the medicine and patient complaints. Okay, from the Clark Material Medica, you can see that tooth pains as ulceration in teeth during morning meal, teeth become very loose, bleeding of teeth, painful sensibility, and okay, next. This was the and mouth, you can see that accumulation of saliva, bitter taste in tooth, the hemoptysis is thin, tongue is spitting, purulent skin, tongue is thin. Back करना है हाँ, pink flesh losing I didn't find from where is pink flesh losing. Okay, losing the pink flesh, I don't forget to which mathematic I've written. Losing the flashes around the tooth written in the mathematic, I forgot it. Okay, next. Seen it. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, though after 1 month, on 31st October, she said ulcer was not improved, but she can peacefully sleep after the 3 months. She said that I am not slept from the last 3 months, but after your medicine, I can sleep very well, very better. So even though my ulcer is not improved, I can sleep, then it means a lot to me. Anxiety 40% better, menses are back, and there is no more fever after that. Okay, so I decided to put on SL, no other medicine required. Next. On 13 November follow-up, no specific change, but her old symptoms are getting back. So I decided to repeat the medicine, phosphorus 1M again, single dose. On 2nd of January, you can see that ulcer was aggravated because it was inflamed. All complaints are nearly better, up to 70%, but those ulcer get inflamed and aggravate. Next. Okay, so I was thinking that wait and watch what is next. On 5th of the February, she is now feel very completely recovered, now get back to her work, but that tooth is still open without flesh. Flesh is not getting still. 1 minute. Okay, phosphorus 1M. Okay, next. 10th of March. Next. Okay, you can see that this was the before and after. Tooth was clearly open in this, and pink flashes is again covered up with the tooth. Okay, thank you.